Hello all, welcome in ERP SAP team. Today we are going to discuss how to get the SAP plant maintenance equipment list in SAP. For this, you need to execute the transaction code IS08, clear all the dates, fill maintenance data in maintenance plant in the location data, choose appropriate layout from the drop down or create your own layout, execute the transaction code, and you will get the list. Okay, so see how can you execute. First you need to execute the transaction code IS08. Okay, then in the period you can clear all the dates. Fine. Then fill maintenance plant in the location data. This is general data tab. Don't fill anything here. This is the serial number selection. Don't fill anything. This is the maintenance plant. Okay, in the location data tab. For example, I just want to fill the data of 3002. Next one is choose appropriate layout from the drop down. Okay, go in the here you need to choose the appropriate layout. Okay, I just want to choose the appropriate layout asset equipment. Okay, and just want to execute this transaction code. Click on this clock or press F8. You need to wait for a while. It will take time for execution of the report. Okay, for example, for analysis of the asset data you need to choose AR02. Okay, AR02, and in AR02 you will get the asset ID. Okay, asset ID, and you will identify those asset IDs, and if need to map with respective equipments. If not mapped till date, you can map with these equipments. Okay, and you can do the decommissioning activities in SAPPM for those equipments. Asset is properly linked with the equipments. Okay, so you can prepare all the things like AC9 and approval and all directly from SAP. Okay, for this we have already prepared a separate tutorial regarding the same. You will go in the SAP PM playlist, you will get all the details. Okay, if you want to get the single equipment record, single equipment details, you can execute the transaction code IE03, fill equipment ID, and get the record. All the details like functional location, equipment details, and so many things you will get. For example, you just want to get the data of all the maintenance order and notifications, so you will also get the details of maintenance order using transaction code IW39. Okay, IW39, and for MO, and if you want to get the data of notification, then IW29 for notification. Okay, notifications. Okay, So you will get all the data. If you analyze the equipment cost and details, then you will also get the data regarding the same. Okay. So here this is a common message: you do not have authorized for all the selected object, but just ignore this, click on the continue. See, this is the equipment details, this is the asset details, this is the equipment description, this is the functional location, this is the battery, this is technical identification number, this is the model number, this is the main work center, and this is the planner group, planning plant, cost center, manufacturer part number, SLOC, manufacturer serial number, plant, equipment data exist. Okay, so this is the, and this is the plant section like GSM, into router, broadband and all. You can go in the current tab. Okay, and if you want to get the data of like work center, acquisition dates, okay, acquisition value, work center, okay, like company code, stock badge, city, district, country key, internal object number, valid from, valid to, standing, vendor, times. You can get the all like warranty data, vendor warranty, business area, customer warranty start, vendor warranty start, and so many things is available here. As per your requirement, you can choose room number, list name, postal code, WBS element, WBS serial data, catalog profile. Okay, WBS element I just want to include here, if maintain here. And system status, for example, any equipment is mapped, stalled, but is not available, so you may use apply the flag is NIUS, not in use, or deletion flag, so you can include this here. Okay, and functional location is very important, you can include this. Okay, and rest thing is available here. Okay, you can apply the column which we have selected is available here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so these are the equipment kit, these are the category. Depending on your requirement, you can choose like broadband category and CFA and MDF category. So depending on your requirement, you can choose this data. Okay, and you can save using a file. Okay, you can click on this spreadsheet. You can choose your path and folder where you want to save this Excel file. Okay, you can generate, system will generate the data, and you will analyze on those data and filter out, work on this. Okay, so this is very easy task, and any user can utilize this data available in the system. For example, if just I want to choose the data, how many equipments are linked with their respective assets, so click on this column. Okay, click on this asset column. Okay, and you click on this sort in the descending order. See, these are the assets which are already linked with their respective equipments. Okay, but a lot of assets are not linked with their respective equipments. So our main objective is to attach all the assets with their respective equipments, so you can you will get very easy while doing scrapping or other activities, and cost of the asset right now and what are the maintenance cost we are going to planning. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so for example, if I just want to get these data of these asset in the respective asset master, so you will also get those data, like you can copy using control Y, and okay, so we will control C. Okay, for example, the data which I have copies. Okay, so control C, we have copied the data, and respective you can get the detail of these assets. Execute the transaction code AR02, go in the company code, and you can just paste these asset ID and you will get the data. Sorry, properly not copied. Control C. Properly copied here. You can paste n number of datas, or you can upload from this clipboard. I am just going to select this, copy. Okay, and here you need to choose 31st/3/2022 sort variant this, and here you need to choose Z002 depreciation posted. Okay, I'm just going to execute this data. Okay, system will give you all the details, like what are those equipments, and these are the asset IDs, these are the capitalization, this yet not APC opening balance. Okay, and from this you can get the data like this. Okay, asset location, like asset description you can choose. Okay, and asset location data you can choose, you can copy from there here. Okay, this is the APC opening balance. Okay, and this is the closing balance. Okay, this is the book value closing balance. Now the asset cost 1041.67. okay, so these are the asset location. DE computers is the asset location. So you will get all the detail and discuss with account officer regarding the same. Okay, what is the depreciation transfer, AD closing balance, book value opening balance, book value closing balance, and all. Okay, you and this is the APC closing balance. Okay, so you will these are the equipment asset class 9913, which is from the computer class. So you will get all the details like this. Okay, and you can also double click on any asset, you will get the detail regarding the same. Okay, see, and posted values and all. For example, this is 2022. For example, you just want to get the data of 2016, then the data of 2016 is available here. Okay, for if you want to get the data from 2015, then this data is available here. Not no data is planned. Okay, so you can identify all the data like depreciation posted and all. Okay, this is the APC transaction acquisition value, ordinary depreciation posted, change, and all the data is available from the 2017s. Okay, so you can analyze this data regarding the same, and you will get, and this is all we have shown regarding the just understanding purpose, training purpose, and just for your understanding purpose. So you will understand these things, how to get your equipment IDs and asset IDs, analyze asset ID with equipment IDs and all. Okay, thanks for watching this SAP tutorial. If you have any query, mention in the comment section or reach us at erpsapteam1@gmail.com. Thank you. See you in the next video.